Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing the February Simply Earth recipe box. Every 6 months, you get a big bonus box again. So make sure you're using your bottles that come in here. Make sure you're using your carrier oils because you'll get a whole new box in 6 months. We are shaking. Sorry, I don't know. This huge box is big. We'll table shake. So if you are not familiar yet, this is the monthly recipe box. You get 4 essential oils and recipes and things to make the recipes. And then also you get in your first and then every 6 months after this big bonus box. And in the big bonus, you get beeswax in a little packet. This is used to make a lot of different recipes. So that's why they give you a little packet of it. Then you get a solid coconut oil. You get a fractionated coconut oil. And then almond oil. So these are very handy to have when you're making different recipes. And then under this is your monthly recipe box that will come every month. And then under it, you have bottles. So empty bottles and then empty roller bottles. We'll use the empty regular bottles to make essential oil blends, different diffuser blends, and then rollers. Obviously you use to make a ton of different rollers. So when you use my code for Simply Earth, it gives you a $45 gift card back to use. And they also give you access to a free Essential Oils Heroes course. You get that free big bonus box. It's just a really great deal. Sometimes they have another $10 off on top of that. So it's just, the value is way beyond what the box is worth. So let's open up February. I know I'm late to the game. Sorry about that. It's February 6th currently, so hopefully this goes up tonight. But this my theme is soap, which I'm like a love-hate relationship with soap because I feel like easy to make sometimes, but then sometimes I overcomplicate it. And there's so many different ingredients you can add into soap. So that's why I love their recipe boxes because they make it so easy. This month's value, which I always like to share first, is $120. Again, the box is $45, and then you get that $45 gift card back. So it's always a good deal. In this box, it comes like this. You have your 4 oils and then things on the side to make your recipes, and the recipe cards are on. I'll share the oils with you guys first. The first one is Amorous. This is from JADE. It's woody with vanilla note. This is actually my older bottle. I keep all the new ones because I get a lot of duplicates. But if you see an oil coming and you already have it or you don't like it, you can swap out. But I just like to get the box as is. Yeah, it's kind of like, what does that smell like? It reminds me just a little bit of patchouli, kind of that low, earthy, slightly floral, but mainly just sweet. So the next one is Unicorn. This is an essential oil blend that the girls love. So every so often they come out with different kits, and they came out with a kids kit, and it came with a unicorn, I think, with a little diffuser in it and a book. But Unicorn is a really good blend. It's very uplifting, so it's citrusy and floral. It's grapefruit, lemon, orange, and jasmine. I love jasmine essential oil. This smells really, this would be a good perfume oil. Next is Energy, and this one is very uplifting as well, but in more like a zingy type of way because it has peppermint. So it's lemon, eucalyptus, and peppermint. So just getting straight to it with those 3 oils, like wake you up, open your airways. It just feels good in your lungs to like breathe in. So like love that blend so much. And then lemongrass, which I'm not the hugest fan of lemongrass, but blended with other things is good. It's just super strong for me. Really good oil though in the summertime because it has a lot of different benefits for like for warding off like bugs and things. So super strong. Bottles have changed. So this is aromatic and topical, suggested use. Used to say like the aroma, like this is an older bottle. Already had it. This is say the aroma and the plant part and the origin, but you can go on their website. They do have a Simply Pure promise. So they all have this code right here. I don't know if you can see or read it, but it says certified pure essential oils and batch number, and you can go on their website and check that out. They're very transparent about where they get their oils and the quality, and all of these recipes are formulated by aromatherapists, and so they're just all around such a great company. They give back 13% to help end human trafficking, which is unheard of. All right, the other side of the box, we have recipe cards, which are super cute for Valentine's Day, and then we have labels. So once you make your product, you're gonna wanna label it, and even like get one of those printer labels. They're really cheap on like, and maybe even put like what you put in. because it is like sweet oatmeal soap. I mean, you have your card, but I like to label my things like overlay so that I know. Otherwise, I will not remember what's in each thing. And then, oh, also there's like little stickers. So if you're storing your oils in a drawer, you can label the top of them, which I just love that they do that. Unicorn foaming soap. Okay, this is going in the girls' bathroom. Oh, I wonder if they have a foam pump. So giving you a foaming hand soap tablet, which I actually just got a different brand of this, but I love these. These are genius. It's a glass bottle that I have, and then this is zero plastic packaging. So each time you refill your soap, you just put a tablet in and it dissolves into the water and you have a foaming soap. It's genius. So if it's when you're putting the tablet in and 30 drops of unicorn essential oil, put 30 drops of that and then the tablet into a foam soap container and fill to the top with distilled or filtered water. Helping Hands foaming soap. So this one, you're getting another, so you get 2 of these little tablets. One of these 15 drops unicorn, energy, amorous, and then you're making, oh, you can also add hydrosol to your hand soaps, which is really interesting. I love hydrosols. You get a lot of the same benefits of essential oils, but they're gentle. So it would be great to add to hand soap. It's also great to add to bath time because you can't just add a couple of drops of essential oil to a bath without diluting first. So if sensitive or if you're doing a bath for children, hydrosols are really great. And then aloe vera, which is always a good idea. So winter with hand soap. Sweet lemon oatmeal soap. So for this one, you're using the glycerin melt and pour soap base, 20 drops of amorous, and 15 drops of lemongrass. And it gives you a soap mold. So you're adding all of that together, melting it together, and then you're putting in a double boiler, add mica powder. Oh, so optional is mica powder, which they have a whole line of mica powders in different color, like add to different recipes so you can use them for bath bombs, soaps. Just makes it cuter, makes it sparkly and colorful. But optional, and then also optional is oatmeal. So mix it all together, pour it in there, let it cure or solidify, and have a roll or a bar of soap. Lovely Night Roll-On is next. So again, in your big bonus box, you have those empty rollers. You're gonna grab one, put this roller label on it. It says Lovely Night Roll-On Healing Hands Solid Lotion Bar. These are interesting. I actually have not, I don't made a lotion bar, maybe a tube. Anyways, you're going to use your beeswax. This is one of those recipes for that. Almond oil, which is also in that big bonus box, unicorn, energy, and lemongrass. And you're going to kind of mix and that together and put it into a mold. Then you have a bar of lotion, which is really handy for travel. We are full of travel plans coming up. So those types of products I love for that. And also just being less messy with kids, like just to put that like on their bed table or something is just less messy and more convenient. Heart Balloons Diffuser Blend. So with the empty bottles in your big bonus box, you're gonna grab one of those and take this label right here. And it will have the blend. So it says heart balloons, and then it has the ingredients in it. And then child safe 10+, so based on their dilution rates. And then diffuse in an open room, so directions. But you're mixing into an empty bottle 50 drops unicorn, 30 amorous, and 10 energy, and 10 lemongrass. So mixing it all together, and you have a diffuser blend. Heart Balloons Diffuser Blend. That's cute. So here are the recipes. I'll put the link to shop down below in the description, but let me know if you have any questions. I feel like I'm missing something because I've just been like speeding through this, but let me know if you have questions. And if you're a subscriber, what are you excited about this month? Have a great day, and thanks for watching. Bye.